You'll recognize immediately as the same one you see here with no change.
This was the tragic fulfillment of a program of intolerance and arrogance. Vengeance is not our goal, nor do we seek merely a just retribution. We ask this court to affirm by international penal action man's right to live in peace and dignity, regardless of his race or creed. The case we present is a plea of humanity to law. We shall establish, beyond the realm of doubt, facts which, before the dark decade of the Third Reich, would have seemed incredible. Courts will show that the slaughter committed by these defendants was dictated not by military necessity, but by that supreme perversion of thought, the Nazi theory of the master race. We shall show that these deeds of men in uniform were the methodical execution of long-range plans to destroy ethnic, national, political, and religious groups which stood condemned in the Nazi mind. Genocide, the extermination of whole categories of human beings, was a foremost instrument of the Nazi doctrine of man. Mr. Gladstone will now read part one of the opening statement.
And also the opening sentence was missing. I began with the declaration, it is with sorrow and with hope that we here present this trial. And I called for a rule of law which would protect all of humankind against the type of crimes which I was about to disclose. Those views which were expressed about 60 years ago, I still maintain today. And so let me skip again back to show you how they evolved, where those ideas came from, and where did they go to, and what does it mean to you, who can carry on, I hope, the sentiments and goals expressed in that opening paragraph of the opening statement. I entered the Army after trying unsuccessfully to enter the Air Force and some other branches of service. And I was a graduate of the Harvard Law School, so they immediately made me a private in the artillery.